Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's quickly see what's going on with VeChain. Okay, so in my previous video I told you that we were creating this falling wedge formation, and then we were also creating this double bottom, okay, but it was also creating this bearish pattern, which was an descending triangle, and then it had a price target towards the downside. And you can see if it would have broken to the downside, it would have broken towards the 0.036 level, but we broke to the upside. So upside is coming all the way up to this level, which is at right over here, okay, 0.057. Okay, so now you can see as soon as VeChain broke its resistance level, which was right over here, it broke this yellow line. Okay, we have started coming towards the upside. Now this is a really good thing because VeChain is trying to get to all the way up to 0.055 level, okay, which you can see it's sitting at 0.052 level at the moment. Okay, but we have to get above this double red line, okay, this whole double red line, because if you can go up, find this as support, and then we have created this beautiful, if it touches even here, double bottom formation, okay, and double bottom formation or W pattern has a technical target to the upside wherever it comes, right over here, and you can see the double bottom is exactly trying to come towards this high over here, which is at the top of the falling wedge. So if we can get over, sit on 0.056 level and close the daily candle above this, then expect VeChain to come all the way up to the top of the wedge, which is at right over here, this level over here. Okay, so this is the formation for this pattern over here. And let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly time frame now. So you can see VeChain overall, it's been in this longer falling wedge formation. Okay, it created this bearish head and shoulder pattern, broke towards the downside, and then we had this solid support for VeChain, long-term solid support. This is the 50% support for VeChain, and this is the resistance level. Now this falling wedge, you want to see VeChain, and VeChain also made this kind of pattern here. Let me show you really quickly. This uh, that yeah, right over here. So this used to be support. It broke down, then it started coming towards the downside. So you want to see VeChain, just come up, break this level at 0.076 level. If you do that, that is going to be one of the strongest signs that VeChain has picked up momentum, and it is trying to come all the way towards the 0.15 cents level, basically 15 to 16 cents level, and then maybe consolidate here for a bit. But this is what you want to see. So whatever is going on at the moment for VeChain right over here, it's basically trying to get to these levels, and then this is going to be a bigger test for VeChain, and it is also the resistance level, okay, for the 50% moving line and the falling resistance line over here for the falling wedge. Okay, now if you look at the let's see, the daily time frame. So at the moment Bitcoin is moving towards the upside, and this is what you want to see. If Bitcoin keeps its momentum and keeps moving towards the upside, then there's no doubt that VeChain will come here, get on top of this level, and get to its the this price action or price level of 0.067, and then slowly it will come here, because the next resistance level for VeChain, let me show you. Even if you take the Fibonacci, right over here, previous low, you can see here that VeChain has broken the 0.5 level, and then it is slowly trying to get to this, this resistance. Once you get on top of it, things will start looking very juicy for VeChain. And you can see, go to the weekly time frame, you can see, where is that level? 0.618 level was right over here at 0.03. So it didn't even get all the way down because this support level came into play. And you can see we came here, we got the support validated over here, and now this is where I think the reversal pattern can be formed for VECHAIN. Maybe in the weekly time frame could be possible, but it's looking pretty decent right now in my viewpoint. And this is where you want to keep an eye on whether a whole reversal pattern can be. Okay, it might be something like this. Like you can see this formation. Okay, this is basically it's making higher lows. Maybe it's going to create like a ascending triangle formation, okay, something similar to this, and then break towards the upside. Because this makes I mean, it makes sense to me because if you take your, you know, your trend line and just put it right over here somewhere, and the measure this, wherever that breakout will be. And if you put it over here, you can see it's exactly coming to the 0.382 level, okay? So it might create some reversal patterns in this area. So keep an eye, maybe create a trend line, for the bottom. You could also put it like that, okay? Something like that. So because I think this can be the very bottom for VeChain, okay? And if you want to validate this even more, you could go to the weekly time frame, go on the RSI. You can see where the RSI is. RSI is sitting right over here. Just take off this trend line. You don't need it anymore. So you can see it's, it's averaged out. And look at the stochastic RSI. It has bottomed out. It's been consolidating and been in this area for a long time now. So this might be something to look at because sellers have sellers are probably exhausted, and um, probably these moving averages are going to come very close to the price action, and then we are going to try to fight these moving averages. So keep an eye on this. But this is it for VeChain. Hopefully this brought you some new information because it's going according to the plan with this wedge over here that was created and is trying to get to this level. And hopefully, so this is after a long time we have seen VeChain actually cracking the resistance level. So this is also a very good sign for VeChain, and hopefully it is only going to move up from here. Okay, so if you like this kind of information, guys, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and comment below if you have any questions. Make sure you like the video because your likes are telling me you want more of these videos for VeChain coming, and that gives me a signal. Okay, thank you so much and have a good day. Bye bye.